The Ogun State Police Command has declared controversial singer Abi Bukikiola, popularly known as Portable, wanted for allegedly leading a violent attack on government officials carrying out their lawful duties. In a statement issued on Monday, the command spokesperson Omolola Odutola said the incident occurred on February 5, 2025, around 10 a.m., when three officials from the Ogun State Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development, Otazona office, were conducting an enforcement exercise at Okiosa, Tigbo, Iluota. During the exercise, the officials encountered Portable's father at Udoguba, a property linked to the singer. Moments later, Portable, armed with a firearm and other dangerous weapons, allegedly led a gang of 9 thugs in attack on the unarmed officials. NaijaNews learned that the officials sustained injuries but managed to escape and reported the assault to the Ota Area Command, which escalated the case to the State Criminal Investigation Department (SCID). Odutola noted that Portable repeatedly ignored multiple former invitations to appear at the Ogun State Police Command headquarters, Ilewiero, Abeokuta. Following his repeated evasion, the Ogun State Police Command has obtained a valid court order declaring him wanted. The statement read, "The police urged the public to provide information leading to his arrest, warning that anyone aiding him would face legal consequences." We will continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.